Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And if you're curious to know how I went from this to this, just stick around and we'll get right into it. So first things first, we're going to start off with the list of everything you need, such as hair clips, rubber bands, a parting object, braiding hair. I got this hair from my local beauty supply, but I'm pretty sure you can find this on Amazon as well. A hand mirror so you could be able to see your parts, styling gel of your choice, and beads just for accessories. So you want to make sure that you always start off with the front of your hair because the front part is the most important part, and then gradually work your way to the back. And here I am attempting to do the box/rectangular parts. You know how sometimes when somebody braids your hair, it could be free part or it could be rectangular part. So your girl is attempting to get herself some box parts right now, and all I can say is Jesus take the wheel. So once you have gotten your desired parts, you want to go ahead and apply the styling gel, which serves for a slick finished look of the braids. It makes them look really neat. Then you want to go ahead and add your rubber bands. You do not have to use rubber bands. The only reason why I use rubber bands is because I like my braids to be really tight. But if you're somebody that knows how to apply the extensions without the rubber bands, then just go ahead and do that. And then you can just go ahead and continue with the process throughout the rest of your head. Now, I don't need y'all judging my parts right now because, sis, I am hanging on faith and a mirror. Okay. Okay, now for the tricky part. The way I add on my hair doesn't necessarily have to be the way you add on your hair. It's kind of hard for me to verbally explain what it is I'm doing here. So I did try my best to show you guys a good visual. So if you don't know how to add hair, please just pay close attention to my hand movements. And if you have another way of doing it, I suggest you go with that because I'm not doing a good job at explaining it, so hopefully I did a good job at showing it. Voila! This is a finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.